Are you looking to start a digital marketing agency from home in 2025? You're not alone, and the good news is, it's more possible than ever with the right skills, tools, and mindset. The demand for digital marketing continues to grow as more businesses move online and look for ways to attract customers in an increasingly competitive digital landscape. Here's how you can turn your idea into a profitable business step by step, right from your own home. First, understand the core services that digital marketing agencies offer. These include social media management, content creation, SEO, search engine optimization, PPC pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, funnel building, branding, and analytics. You don't need to master all of these at once. Start by learning the most in-demand skills and pick one or two services to specialize in. This makes it easier to build a reputation and deliver results. Later on, you can expand your offerings or outsource what you don't want to handle. Choosing a niche is one of the most important steps. Instead of trying to serve every kind of business, focus on a specific market like real estate, e-commerce, coaches, gyms, local businesses, or the healthcare industry. This will help you tailor your messaging, build more trust with potential clients, and become an expert in solving problems unique to that industry. When people see that you get their business, they're far more likely to hire you. Next, focus on building your skills. Even if you have no background in marketing, you can learn everything online. Use free or affordable platforms like Google Skillshop for advertising, HubSpot Academy for inbound marketing, Coursera or Udemy for comprehensive courses, and YouTube for real-world insights and tutorials. Get certified in platforms like Google Ads and Meta Ads. It helps build credibility when you're just starting out. Once your skill set is solid, start building your brand. This includes setting up a professional-looking website that clearly explains what you do, who you help, and what results you've delivered or aim to deliver. Set up a strong presence on social media, especially LinkedIn and Instagram. Share tips, case studies, and client testimonials to attract attention and build authority. You don't need a big team or a fancy office. Clients care more about results than how big your agency looks. Now it's time to find your first few clients. If you have no experience, consider offering free or discounted work to friends or small businesses in your area in exchange for testimonials and referrals. These early clients will help you build a portfolio. As you gain confidence and results, raise your prices. Use outreach strategies like cold emails, direct messaging on Instagram or LinkedIn, and listing your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour to bring in leads. Always follow up most people. Don't say yes the first time. As your client list grows, you'll need systems. Use tools like Trello or ClickUp for project management, Slack for communication, Canva for quick design, Buffer or Later for scheduling posts, and Google Analytics to track performance. The more you automate and organize, the easier it becomes to scale. Eventually, you can hire freelancers or contractors to handle certain tasks while you focus on growth and strategy. Lastly, stay sharp. The digital marketing world evolves quickly. Algorithms change, new platforms emerge, and